So it was smooth coordinating with the team.
Yeah, it was very smooth. I mean, everyone is just one call away for me. The whole team is great. I would send this message that, I mean, you can rely on these guys.
If somebody is doing a renovation of their house, what would you like to suggest them about our company, Rehawk?
We would like to suggest just go with them, guys. Have some trust. It's a great company, I would suggest.
Talk to me, numbers never lie. Add it up.
हेलो सर। सो पहले तो बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। तो अभी घर का काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है, तो अभी आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
अभी तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है, रिलैक्स फील हो रहा है।
राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट अगर मैं कहूँ डिज़ाइन से, तो फिर वो एक पूरा थॉटफुल एक प्रोसेस था उस टाइम पे जो हमने जाके बनाया था। और वैसा ही डिज़ाइन जो है आपके डिज़ाइनर्स जो थे,
Anupriya and Tia, they both worked really tremendously.
whatever
Yeah.
vision app they have exactly manufactured our dream come true.
सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा ऑनर अभी आपको कौन सा लग रहा है? मतलब कहाँ आप से सोच रहे हो कि हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट वैसा ही हुआ जैसे हमारे माइंड में था?
जो ऊपर सिटिंग एरिया है, परगोला प्लस जो कटआउट एरिया है, वो एरिया बहुत एग्जैक्टली वैसा बना है जैसा हमने सोचा था।
ओके, एंड व्हिच इज द कॉर्नर दैट you will spend your most of the time, like
I'll be spending most of the time in my office upstairs. And you?
Pergola, as I
Okay.
said, I like that portion very much.
okay. So while I was seeing the exterior of the house, I read the name of the house. It
Yeah,
was
yeah,
Chandraganga.
that's a
Can I
great
know the
story.
behind it.
When we both were, I mean, my wife, me, when we were discussing about I mean, building the house, so started with the name, so it just clicked in my mind. I mean, Chandraganga is a combination of Chandra and Ganga. So Chandra is my maternal grandmother, and Ganga is my grandmother. So it combined beautifully. So if it was just one shot for me. Definitely it was meant to be. And yep, Chandraganga, definitely that's a very good observation. Yeah.
तो जब रिहॉक के साथ आप जुड़े तो फिर सबसे ज्यादा आपको अच्छी चीज क्या लगी पूरे प्रोसेस में?
The CEO of the company, Mr. Shubham Chaudhary, he is a very great person, and we understood the thought process of that person, that what he actually wants to deliver. So it was not just about earning money. Earning money is a part of it, but it was not just about earning money. Then I met Neeraj, the sales head. He made me very comfortable, and he did a lot of commitments to me on that day. I was not sure he will be able to deliver all of them or not, but touchwood, he has been spot on everything he has promised. So I'm very grateful and thankful to him first, that he was always with me. The project coordinator which was assigned, Yash Kumar, so he is a terrific guy. He has become my friend, my dear friend now.
So it was smooth coordinating with the team.
Yeah, it was very smooth. I mean, everyone is just one call away for me.
Right from the start, from the design.
Yeah. And Anupriya, Tia, Yash, Neeraj, Shubham, and the whole team is great. I would send this message that, I mean, you can rely on these guys. They are expertise in their field. Neeraj has assured me that anything ever happens, he is there for me. So Yash also assured me that personally. So that's a great thing to, I mean, keep trust.
We are personally connected to this company.
If somebody is doing a renovation of their house, what would you like to suggest them about our company, Rehawk?
We would like to suggest just go with them, guys. Just keep some patience, have some trust. It's a great company, I would suggest. Especially the thought process of the CEO, that's unmatchable, and that's a very great thing, that he cares about the client experience.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to design and execute the project, and very big congratulations on
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.